If you are a construction business owner or struggling with muddy construction trucks tracking dirt outside your site, clogged drains, messy access road, warning or fine from local authorities, this is a daily headache at thousands of construction sites, batching plants, waste treatment centers, seaports, and mining zones. But there's a reliable solution: the Go&Go fully automatic wheel wash system. This isn't just a car wash, it's a powerful system that removes mud from wheel, undercarriage, and lower chassis area. It helps you meet environmental standards, improve professionalism, and optimize operational efficiency. Let's take a closer look at how this system works. As a vehicle approaches, an optical sensor automatically triggers the wash cycle. In just under 2 minutes, high-pressure water jet blasts away dirt from every angle: wheel, underbody, the lower side panel, without needing a single worker. No staff, no button, fully automatic. The system features galvanized steel frame, rated for vehicles up to 40 tons, dual high-pressure spray line, 15 kilowatt water pump, water recycling system for maximum saving, automatic sludge removal with scraper and drainage tank, all built to perform in the toughest environment. Whether at roadworks, ports, mining zones, and industrial parks, Go&Go can clean up to 200 vehicles per day without interruption. Now imagine your construction site with Go&Go installed. Every vehicle leaves clean. No muddy tracks on public road. No need for manual labor or temporary wash station. No more complaint, media attention, or fine from inspector. A cleaner, more professional image for your business and client. Here's what one of our clients share. After installing the Go&Go system at our batching plant, we save over $1,000 per month in labor costs and pass every environmental inspection with ease. Operation Manager, Infrastructure Company, Southern Vietnam. This is more than just a wash system. Go&Go is part of your professional workflow. Don't let mud slow you down and damage your brand. Contact Go&Go today to get a complete consultation. On-site installation and training. Custom sizing for your fleet. Long-term warranty and nationwide technical support. Go&Go, smart cleaning solution for modern construction. Clean trucks, clean sites, clean reputation.